Hey Blitzers, in this video I'll show you how the brand new Asana integration in Blitzit works. With this integration, you can sync your Asana tasks into Blitzit and manage planning and execution in one place. So let's get started. Open Blitzit and head to the integration section. You'll see Asana in the list. Click Connect, log into Asana and authorize Blitzit to access your account. This connection is secure and only used for syncing tasks. I've already done this, so we can move on. Next, select the Blitzit list you want to link to your Asana account. Then, click Link Now. And that's it! Your Asana account is now connected to Blitzit. You'll notice the Blitzit list now shows an Asana logo, indicating it's synced. Click the Asana icon and choose Add Projects to select which Asana workspaces or projects you want to pull the tasks from. Then click Update Project Selection. You can add or remove projects anytime later by clicking Update Projects here. Now you'll see your Asana tasks appear in the Cards tab. You can also open any task directly in Asana from here. Select the tasks and click Add Selected Tasks to List. Once added, the tasks land in a Blitzit column based on its dates. Tasks without dates or scheduled beyond the current week go to Backlog. Tasks scheduled for this week appear in this week, and tasks scheduled for today appear in today. You can see that some tasks also include subtasks synced from Asana. So let me show you how syncing works. I'll schedule this task for another date in Asana. And now you can see that date instantly reflected in Blitzit. Next, I'll edit the title in Blitzit. And that change is reflected back in Asana. So Blitzit and Asana are fully synced two ways. Any updates you make to titles, subtasks, notes, dates automatically sync between Blitzit and Asana. Task completion syncs both ways as well. Deletion also syncs, but it works a bit differently. I'll show that nuance later in the video. If you open the expanded menu on a synced task, you can adjust the schedule, open the task directly in Asana, move it to another Blitzit list while keeping the sync, duplicate the task. Duplicated tasks get copy added to the title and won't sync back to Asana, so you can work with or modify the task in Blitzit without affecting the original task in Asana. Now let's jump into settings, where you can fine-tune everything. At the top, you'll see Unlink. This disconnects Asana from Blitzit. Existing tasks stay in Blitzit but stop syncing. You can also manually refresh tasks and click Update Projects to pull in new Asana projects. Auto-syncing is enabled by default. This means Blitzit automatically checks for new Asana tasks and adds them to your Blitzit list. With assignees, you can choose to sync only tasks assigned to specific people or include unassigned tasks as well. Auto-sync works together with the assignee filter, meaning Blitzit will auto-sync tasks assigned to selected accounts. This is especially useful for shared Asana projects. Sync Delete controls deletion behavior. If enabled, deleting a task in Blitzit deletes it in Asana, while deleting a task in Asana only unlinks it from Blitzit, so the task stays but is no longer connected. Date mapping lets you control how Asana dates are used for scheduling in Blitzit. You can choose between start date or due date. Currently, I have start date selected, meaning Blitzit uses the start date from Asana as the schedule date and reminds you about the task on that day. Under Subtasks, you can choose whether Asana subtasks appear inside parent tasks in Blitzit, or subtasks are added as separate tasks. Pick whichever fits your workflow best. And that's it! You are now ready to use Asana and Blitzit together. If this helped, check out our other tutorials and join our Discord community to share workflows, ask questions, and learn from other Blitzit users. And as always, happy blitzing!